So 15 Pro Max means another case video and a silicone case. Let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. Here we are with the silicone case from the guys at MagBak for the 15 Pro Max, and as you can see, this one is blue because everything is blue. Blue iPhone, blue everything, love the blue. This case I did review for the 14 Pro Max and I really liked it. It was one of the strongest MagSafe cases that I tested for the 14 Pro Max, so it made only sense that I would get it in for this video. You know yourself. Nice blue, so it's actually not bad. That goes quite well with the blue titanium, doesn't it? Bit of a contrast there in blues. It's quite nice. So also in the box then we have this magnet, which is MagBak's sort of trademark, and alcohol wipes and stuff for sticking that down. All well and good. You've got magnetic options there, which is great. First off, let's just weigh this case. 50 grams on the button, so not the worst. Like I said, this is a blue silicone. We've got MagBak's branding and logo here, and on the side here we do have buttons here which are plastic, and yeah, on the inside then we have our MagSafe compatible ring, and then you can just see inside there it's just a silicone case, to be honest. It's pretty straightforward, and we have our, you know, MagBak bits and pieces here, so patented and all that madness. First impressions, it is very squared off here, slightly more squared off than some of the other cases that I have reviewed. That's the extra shock protection in the corners, you know, to help protect your phone, I suppose. It's a very flexible case, so as you can see there, it bends quite a bit. So we just pop that in there. We'll just pop that in there like that. And there it is, there's the blue titanium inside the blue MagBak case. So buttons, plastic buttons, very clicky and responsive. We have no issues there. Fitment test. So even though this is a flexible case, when the phone's in it, it doesn't really seem as if the phone's going to shake loose out of there, which is a good thing. I was kind of maybe worried that it would, because it is so flexible. When it's in the case there, if you give it a twisting, it doesn't move, which is great. Screen lip then, the screen lip is pretty decent. You can see here it's slightly raised at each of the corners, so you do get that little bit more height when it's sitting flat down on a surface. So when you sit down flat, it's not going to scuff up that display. And then the camera bump, the lenses don't protrude out of that. It's a plastic camera bump as well, so it's quite sort of slim and minimalistic, but the lenses don't protrude, so if you do set it flat, it's not going to scuff up, which is great. So feel of the case, this is a silicone case. Straight out of the box, it does feel quite slippery, but I do imagine the more you use it, it will get more grip as you use it. Now, silicone cases typically are a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but I will say this blue seems to hide it quite well. The black was a bit of a nightmare when it came to fingerprints. Like, you absolutely seen everything. It was like a mirror, but this isn't too bad. You know, with that blue color, it kind of hides it a little bit, which is quite nice. On to MagSafe. So this is a MagSafe case. Like I said, for the 14 Pro Max, this case was the magnets were fantastic, but as you can see here, MagBak also put their own magnets in. So we do have the MagSafe ring here as normal, but then you can see the magnets are flanked by MagBak's own magnet layout, which is what you see in the box here. So you've got these three magnet layouts. So basically what these are for is you can stick these down and on, say, on your wall or in the car, wherever you want to stick them. It'll give you extra magnetic options for mounting. So that's a pretty handy thing, and I suppose that does help with the magnetic strength as well. You've got plenty of options with the MagBak case. Let's test the MagSafe. Now, the MagBak case for the 14 Pro Max definitely set the bar. It was one of the strongest MagSafe cases that I tested for the 14 Pro Max, so I'm expecting this to be just as good, if not better. So let's see. Oh my rip. That, yeah, those are definitely strong. Friggin' heck. yeah, they're really strong. Really strong magnets. Yeah, does not disappoint at all. That is top. If you are looking for a silicone case, and what do you think of that blue? Let me know in the comments down below. That is a real bright, vibrant blue. And then the subtle blue of the camera lenses and whatnot, I think is it's quite nice. So that is the MagBak case for the 15 Pro Max. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I do like it. Silicone cases for me, they're okay. I wouldn't have been the massive big fan of them, to be honest. The Apple silicone cases kind of put me off silicone cases for a long time. But this is a real decent case. It's a good option. It's one of the strongest MagSafe cases I think I've tried for the iPhone. So can't be that bad. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think. Have you got it? You think they're getting it? Let me know. And as always, I will leave you a link in the description down below if you're interested in picking this up. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. That about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Stay tuned for more 15 Pro Max content. I'll have more cases, accessories, all that sort of stuff coming thick and fast, so stay tuned. And if you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.